Menteri Ketenaga Tourism ke Sohra Jelau Timur di Sira ulah pentip bagi dan atli ki 5-star hotel Kumbalong mentah Shillong. Ya kan ni ulah jubah bahwa ke jengkli gua wanda rupat momen hakadoba serai mentah kesengi. Hakajuk kepala menteri wa pentip lo bagi dan ki jaka ki bak soka kapan krep ban teh sisu yang 5-star hotel berkentup Shillong Umiam Sohra New Shillong bat Tura. Ako kaliang na kaliang doktor mukur no yang persya rabu do jingkli ba kumno ka suka kenle bagi buon gi jaka jengok kai ki bompat pedrung hapok kamap hak bagi turis kim simatip wala ki dai gi itenat hal kan ni ukonrat lo jubab ba na kaliang suka ka persyang banai maping handai kan patla banai lut bat kan ni ka kam kadang ya sikman bat lo pediang subharu ya ki ajing but jong mukur hak juk apola pentip lu hal ke jingkli tro mokul hal ke dai bar ke we hasilong pik ha ka ba kontak ong man ka deng soka ka le ye ki kendon kat kum badai ban le shua ban penya ye kam se khaman
Number of five-star hotel currently operating in the state is 2 in number. Both are in Shillong. B, sir. 8. The proposed location are in Shillong, Umiam, Sohra, New Shillong, and Tura. C, sir, as per statement placed on the table of the House. D, sir, information is being collected. But if the questioner wants me to read out the names of the proposed constructions of proposed 8 number of new 5-star hotel, I can read it out.
You can lay on the table of the house, sir. Okay.
Construction is in the progress.
On as of now, sir. Its construction is going on. It's a 151 crore project, and 36 months is the time of completion of this project. We started and initiated this project in the month of February 2025. We expect that, as per schedule, sir, the project should be completed in February 2028.
Shillong is the hill station of the region, and there are so many tourists are coming. So my question is that we from Shillong or Meghalaya.
Sir, I'll just supplement because this is to do with skills. Sir, under the skills program, which is the Meghalaya Skills mission that we have, sir, we have close to about 150 plus different agencies, again local agencies, sir, that are conducting different trainings. And I can also share with you, sir, that in the last 3 financial years, almost 6,196 people have been trained under this skilling program. And in fact, we have 2,186 who are being trained as we speak, but total 6,196 have been trained. And there are multiple agencies which have been certified by Government of Meghalaya through the Skills Department, the Labour and Skills Department, under the MSSDS, and they are giving the necessary training to the youth of our state for tourism, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Many new projects from Gargars are yet to be taken up, and these new projects has not been shortlisted. But there are many applications, there are many projects proposed, but these proposed projects are yet to be shortlisted.
This list of 144 that are going on. But to answer the question that the Honorable LO has asked, that the mapping has been done, sir. So we have mapped, and it is based on this mapping only that these 144 projects were taken up, and the new projects that are coming up are being taken up. So there is, but it's an ongoing process. One has to remember, because again, it's a question of how one sees a potential in an area. So therefore, these things keep coming up. And therefore, we are continuously adding the names. We are continuously, mapping more and more locations because, as I said, our state is really beautiful and there's so many hidden gems that many people don't know. So we have done an exercise, sir. It's only on the basis of that exercise that we created this whole system, the circuits and the homestays. Now, for example, so the homestays that we're giving, we have, if people who have applied for it will know that this is in a cluster form. And why is it in a cluster form is because not every block is in that homestay scheme. And the reason it is not there in the homestay scheme is because of this mapping. After we did the mapping, we said that, well, this block has got more potential, and hence the chances of the homestay to actually be successful is more in these clusters, because as you know, the homestay scheme has component of loan also in it. So therefore they have to ensure that they earn money. So we did this mapping. Based on this mapping only, homestay scheme has been approved, and we have been giving money only to those clusters as of now. And for that also, if there are proposals that come in from people say that no, our district, our block, our area also has potential, please include. Then we again map it, again study, and we say, if we come to conclusion that yes, it's true, we include that in that. So that's an ongoing process, sir. But we have to go in a planned way. If we just go randomly and just start putting one project here, one project there, and there is no coordination, no synchronization, and no planning, then obviously the outcome will not be as productive as you would want it. So to answer in short, sir, the mapping has been done. It's an ongoing process, and I would be very happy if honorable members can also give their inputs to the tourism department from their side in their particular constituency.